Hey guys, what's up? So today, I'm sitting in front of the post office here. Didn't get no mail today. But today, we're doing another challenge video. Larry68HD challenged everybody out there to do a video and talk about your city, your town, whatever you want to talk about, and let people know why it's famous. So that's what we're going to do today. Gonna take a ride around town real fast and let you guys know what Phoenixville is famous for. Alright guys, so we are running through downtown Phoenixville. There's Borough Hall. It's relatively new. It's been, I don't even know, 5-10 years maybe. So, Phoenixville. Phoenixville used to be a steel town. So that was one of the things we were famous for. Another thing we are famous for that I put in this video right here is the Colonial Theater, which was famous from the 1950s movie The Blob. So as you can see me running through downtown Phoenixville here, there's a lot of businesses. And when I moved to Phoenixville, this whole downtown area was kind of shitty. And then they had a revitalization and all these restaurants and bars and everything started coming here, and all the little shops that were shitty and old and not making any money closed down and made way for the new shops. So aside from the steel being a steel city, and aside from the Blob, there is one other thing that Phoenixville is famous for, and that would be, and this is a proud thing, so this area down here, downtown Phoenixville, is and has the most breweries per square foot than any place in America. So guess what that means? It means we got a bunch of fucking drunks downtown Phoenixville. Yes, we do. So that's like awesome, isn't it? You know, I've been to quite a number of the restaurants down there, and they are pretty good. I mean, if you're ever in town, you know, I would highly recommend that you go down there and check out some of the food, some of the beverages. There's a distillery down there, so you can get booze too. It's not just beer. So yeah, you can really get fucked up downtown Phoenixville. Just make sure you call an Uber, because you know what? I don't need you fucking running me over while I'm walking up and down the street. So that's one thing Phoenixville is famous for right now. But yes, we got the Steel City, we got the Colonial Theater, and we got the booze. What more could you ask for? So, yeah, yeah, Phoenixville's a nice little town. It's got a small town feel, even though it's bigger than you would think it would be. You know, you could like have everything, you could do everything, not everything, but without actually leaving town. You know, we have a hospital, which is right there actually. We have a movie theater, which you saw. We have bars, we have restaurants. The only thing we really don't have is like department stores or anything like that. We do have like supermarkets. We have a ton of supermarkets. We used to have a Kmart, but we don't have that anymore. Yeah, and I'm saying I'm a lot today. I don't know why. So that is what Phoenixville is famous for, my friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hardly ever say that. You want to leave a comment? Yeah, I want y'all to comment down below. So until next time, I don't want to turn there. Y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another.